Hey guys, I'm out here at Cayman Lacrosse. Hopefully we'll score a goal right now. A little bit of action while I talk about what's going on at school. Man, what a great lacrosse program we are building, both boys and girls. Boys are one of the top teams in the county, one of the highest goal differentials scored for and against. Caymans are doing so great. Had to battle in a few injuries, guys, but thanks for working so hard. Guys, we're coming up on spring break. We had an amazing performing arts assembly today. I would encourage you guys to go out and watch these teams, support these teams this spring as they have their dance concert, their choir concert, their band concert. We're gonna have a Vision Performing Arts showcase at the Center for the Arts with in the 1,500 person theater in June. So I hope you guys will come out for that. And don't miss Mamma Mia. Go to cahsplay.com and get your tickets for Mamma Mia. That's going to be such an incredible show. It's so fun watching a little preview of that today. Caymans, whatever you're doing, I always say, like, if you're going to do it, just go after it. Do it with all your heart, your soul, with all your strength, and just give all of yourself to what you're doing in high school, whether it's academics, whether it's your extracurriculars, whether it's your relationships. Hope you guys have an amazing spring break coming up, but don't forget to go to Mamma Mia. That'll be the weekend right before spring break. Guys, one other thing I wanted to talk about, one of our values at Classical is living pure. And that's not just in our actions, but that's in what we take in, like the food that we eat, the music we listen. Oh, there's a goal, guys. That's 8-7, okay? You guys saw it right there. We are up by 1 goal, 8-7 against the San Diego Cavers. But I was talking about living pure and like what you put in, whether it's what you eat, what you put in your body, what you put in your mind, what you watch, what you listen to, what you consume, the people that you hang out with that are gonna be lifting you up or bringing you down. That's gonna impact how you live your life. So think about that this week, Caymans. Just, you know, what put in good and out will come good. Guys, remember that if you go to Classical, just know that you're loved, know that you belong. Look at all these Caymans out here supporting their classmates. There's dance over there. There's softball over there. There's the Cayman girls lacrosse team out here supporting the boys. Maybe we'll get another goal before we're done. Guys, get out and support your classmates. Oh, there we go. I'm hoping I can take you guys out on some amazing hikes in the next few months. I can't get out this weekend, which is why I'm recording here, but I'm going to try to show you some of the amazing hikes across San Diego. Let's see if Caymans can get a goal here, guys. Hey guys, I hope to see you on campus. Come up and say hi to me. I want to meet you. I want to learn your name. You know I'm bad with names, but I want to learn your name. I want to get to know you. I want to make sure that this 2% of your life is the best 2% ever, because it's going to impact the rest of your life. Remember your love, Caymans. Remember your belong, and I will see you on campus. Bye-bye.